Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel again. In this video, we are going to continue about the topic which is the object in Finnish language. You can find it in my lesson 10 videos. But before we continue to our next topic, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share because that motivates me to make more videos like this and also learning the language as well. So the object in Finnish language is usually appears in partitive case, genitive case, nominative singular, and nominative plural. In each cases, I made examples. So let's begin. Object in partitive in a negative sentence. Examples: Minulla ei ole koiraa. It means that I don't have a dog. So the object there is koira, so it needs to be in partitive case. Minä en osta uutta puhelinta. It means that I don't buy a new phone. So the object there is otta puhelinta. That needs to stand in a partitive case. Next, we have ongoing action. Examples: Minä syön omena. It means that I'm eating an apple. Minä is the first person singular who is doing the action. Syön, that comes from the word syödä. Omena is the object of the sentence. That's why it needs to stand in a partitive case. Next, we have Minä luen kirjaa. It means that I'm reading a book. Minä is the first person singular who is doing the action. Luen, that comes from the word lukia. It means to read. Kirja is the object of the sentence. Next, we have object in countable versus uncountable. In countable sentence, we need to use the genitive cases. Example: Oskar syö pihvin. It means that Oskar eats a steak. If you still remember, what to put in the genitive case is plus n in the object. Next, in uncountable sentence, we need to use the partitive case. Example: Me juomme vettä. It means that we are drinking water. Me is the third person plural who is doing the action juomme. That comes from the verb juoda. It means to drink. Vettä is the object of the sentence, therefore we will put it in a partitive case. Next, object in partitive in a certain verbs. Examples: Minä rakastan tätä taloa. It means that I love this house. Minä is the first person singular who is doing the action rakastan, that comes from the verb rakastaa. Next, we have Oskar vihaa tietokonetta. It means that Oskar hates the computer. Viha comes from the verb vihata. It means to hate. Next, the object in genitive case as the whole thing. Examples: Katsomme elokuvan. It means that we will watch the movie, watching the whole movie. That's why elokuva needs to stand in genitive case. Next, rakennan talon. It means that I am building. I will build a house completely. Rakinnan is in minamoto, that comes from the verb rakinta. It means to build. Next, we need to use the genitive case when there's something has been finished. Examples: Ostin eilen takin. It means that yesterday I bought a jacket. Ostin is the past tense of osta, which means to buy. And because this is in past tense, so taki is the object here that needs to stand in genitive case. Next, we need to use genitive case when going to finish something. Examples, Mina luen kirjan. It means that I read the book. I will read the book. Next, we have object and genitive with a certain verbs. Examples, Mina tapan pikan Thursday na. It means that I'm going to meet Pika on Thursday. Mina is the first person singular who is doing the action tapan that comes from the verb tavata. It means to meet. These words, you need to pronounce this correctly because the double p, tapan, it means to care. Next, we have 9 matin karyastosa. It means that I sumati in the library. 9 comes from the verb nahda. It means to see. Sorry for the wrong spelling. It is kiryastosa. It's not kirayastosa. Next, object and nominative singular with imperative sentences. Examples, Anna minule kuna. It means that give me a pen. Anna is a verb that comes from the word anta. It means to give. Next, uta sa tinvaryo mukan. It means that take the umbrella with you. Uta is a verb that comes from the word uta. It means to take. Next, object and nominative singular with the passive sentences. Examples, tilatan hampurilainin. It means that let's order a burger. Tilatan is the passive word that comes from the word tilata. It means to order. Next, talo maalatan and si vicula. It means that the house is going to be painted next week. Maalatan is the passive word that comes from the word maalata. It means to paint. Next, we have the object and nominatives singular with necessity sentences. Examples, Minon pita koryata televisyu. It means that I have to repair the TV. Minon pita, I have to koryata repair televisyu, the TV. Next, minun täytyy ostaa uusi tietokone. It means that I have to buy a new computer. Minun täytyy, I have, ostaa, to buy, uusi tietokone, a new computer. Next, object in nominative plural. All the things. Examples, Mina tiskan astiat. It means that I'm doing the dishes. Tiskan comes from the word tiskata. Next, we have specific things in plural. Mina utan nuo kingat. It means that I take those shoes. Utan comes from the word uta. It means to take. No is a plural of tuo. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Moi moi!